I had the pleasure of exploring Mount Kinabalu and experiencing the local wildlife. As a city girl, the views were absolutely breathtaking, and Jeff was an incredible guide. His explanations about Sabah's culture and its significance made me appreciate the region even more. The drive was smooth and he brought me around so that I could experience it fully. P.S. He's also a great photographer. William is a friendly tour guide. We went to Desa Farm, Alpaca's farm, and was lucky enough to see Mount Kinabalu clearly. The highlight of the trip was Alpaca's farm. We are able to get inside and touch them. There are also some rabbits and hedgehogs. My son was excited to see those animals, and it is a trip really suits young child. We were lucky to have the friendly and knowledgeable tour guide Mr. Jeff. He came by our hotel early and we had a smooth drive to all the tour locations. He also taught us a lot about the history of Malaysia and was very easy to talk to. Each stop was an incredible experience and good fun for us. Highly recommend this tour, absolutely worth the price, and hope you guys also get an experience with the handsome Mr. Jeff. Jeff, our tour guide and Mr. said the driver was good and accommodate to our needs as I travel with my father. Pick up from hotel were on time and the itinerary is clear. The tour and food was nice as per schedule. The most important thing to highlight for this tour is our tour guide is concerned regarding the toilet as we keep continuing on road journey. Overall, Klook never disappoint me and I'm happy for this trip. Definitely will recommend to others. Keep it up, Jeff and said. Paul is an amazing guide. We felt very well taken care of and enjoyed every second of the trip. Paul is also very spontaneous, is helping us get nice candid photos. 10/10 would recommend. This is one of the best activities that we ever had in Sabah. We love to take pics of Mount Kinabalu, enjoying the fish spa, feeding the horses and playing with the rabbits, and of course the interesting part was, you got to taste the meat of wild boar, which to me, a bit similar to roast pork. Our guide Mr. Tommy was a friendly guy, knowledgeable, and he was very patient toward us though we have passed the time limit. And the exciting part was, our family was the only group with this activities. Thanks Klook, Mr. Tommy and your company for arranging this activities. Great experience. Our guide is very friendly and accommodating. Very informative tour as well. Definitely recommended.